going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be bank fishing once again, but I am at a different spot today. Hopefully we can catch some fish. It is a little windy, so I apologize for that, but I just want to thank y'all. We are almost at 100 subs. We are currently at 97 subscribers, very close to that 100 subscriber mark, and I appreciate that. This is only the beginning. We're going to keep grinding, keep uploading videos, but hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I've made it to the first spot of the day, and like I said, it's a little windy, so I apologize for that. But today I'm going to be doing a specific type of challenge. I'm gonna see how fast or how long it takes me to catch a bass. So once I make the first cast, I'm gonna start a timer and see from there how long it takes me to catch a bass. If you watched my last video till the end, it took me about 7 hours combined to land one bass, just one. I'm gonna try my best today. I'm at a different spot, still pressured, but not as much as the last spots, so we'll see if we can make something happen. I will show y'all when I start the timer, when I make the first cast, and then I'm basically going to fish around the area. It's a little windy, so it might be kind of tough to cast, but I think this will be a pretty cool challenge just to see where I'm at on how long it takes me to catch fish, to figure them out, the depth and stuff. So let's get to it, see if we can land a fish. All right, so here we go. First cast. I don't know if y'all can see that too well. Start the timer right there. We're gonna go ahead and make the first cast of the day. See how long it takes me to land the first fish. This spot is all right when catching bass. That side's a little better, so I might not catch a bass on this side, but we'll give it a shot either way. I'm starting off with a black and blue bandito bug. This water is kind of clear. It is windy, so that's one downside we're gonna have today, but I think the bite's gonna be on. The sun's out, it's not too cold. It's a little chilly, but it's not bad. But I do think these fish are gonna be eating right now. We'll see. Gotta love this wind. Oh, was that a bite? I can't tell. This one's gonna throw me off. I think I did get bit, guys. First bite of the day. As you can tell, my bandito bug is gone. Bottom portion is gone. First bite of the day. Let's see how long that took. Check the timer. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Not bad. Oh my gosh, you guys, no way, right in front of my face. That's the second fish of the day that we miss. I don't know if y'all saw my line moving. I didn't think I had a fish because I was like right in front of me. 19 minutes in, second bite of the day, we missed that fish. Didn't set the hook hard enough, or I don't think he had it in his mouth all the way. I'm gonna keep fishing right here a little bit more, and then I'll head over to that side. Kind of fish my way back. 19 minutes in, that's not bad. 2 bites already. Let's keep grinding. Oh my gosh, no way. Third fish of the day that bites my bait. Let me go ahead and show y'all the time. 48 minutes and 52 seconds. I'm almost sure that was a fish. Not certain, but I'm almost sure. Take it, bud. Got one. First fish of the day, everyone. That's a decent one. That's a nice one, actually. Get in here, buddy. First fish of the day. We'll check the timer right now. Ah, it feels good. I've been fishing for a while. Look at his lips. Super red. Extremely red. Not a bad fish. Barely hooked. About 1.5 pounds, maybe a pound. Let's go ahead and check the timer. See where we're at. How long do y'all think it took to catch the first fish of the day? Drop a comment down below before I show y'all. 3, 2, 1. Took me 1 minute. 1 hour 27 minutes to catch one fish. Not bad, honestly. Got a few bites here and there. I'll take them. Gonna keep fishing. Probably have about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to fish left. So go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. First fish of the day. Barely committed, actually. Barely biting. I barely felt him. If it was windy still, I would have not felt that fish. Luckily the wind kind of calmed down. Gonna reset the timer, see how long it takes me to catch the second fish of the day, just for fun, just to see where I'm at, see if we can land another one. Hopefully we do. I'm not gonna lie, that first fish of the day was really tough to catch. And just to give you a perspective, I started fishing at the end of this cove on the other side, made my way around. I've been kind of scouting my way around the bank on this side, casting here and there. Like I said, I've gotten 3 bites, so I know they want this bait. Just a matter of finding them and locating these fish. And along this edge, there's some pretty big rocks, so casted here quite a few times, and I got that fish to commit. I've gotten my bites around a lot of structure, so this is a pretty good spot right here. Some good structure. There's a good point right here where there's a lot of bait fish. As you can tell, like this, there's structure down here, like branches and stuff, and big rocks. Took a little bit to catch that first fish, but hey, we landed one. Gonna make a few casts and see if we can get one to come out. Got another one. Second fish of the day, everyone. Right here, buddy. Haha. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'll take him all day long. Chill, buddy, chill. Top of the mouth. Perfect hook set. Look at that fish. About the same size as the last one, but hey, I'll take it. Not a bad fish. Get a timer check. I reset the timer, started it again. It's been 25 minutes since the last fish that we caught. Not bad, I'll take it. We still have quite a bit to fish. Second fish of the day. We're making it happen. Better than the last video. Go ahead and release this guy. There he goes, back in the water. I got that bite like right here in front of me, probably about 10 feet or so. And it's kind of tricky to set the hook because there's a big rock right there. My bait was right behind it. 2 hours, we landed 2 fish. So that's pretty good if you ask me, not bad. We still have quite a bit to fish, like I said. I've been fishing a lot of like areas where there's not a lot of structure. So that's also why I haven't landed a lot of fish, but we're still making it happen. All right guys, I just got another bite. Got another one. Right after that one fish, my bait was sitting on the bottom. This is a smallmouth. This is a smallmouth, new species of the day. I literally just finished filming that last clip. This guy's hooked really good. There we go, got the hook out. New species of the day, smallmouth, third fish of the day. I had literally just clicked the button to stop recording on the last clip. Insane. I love the way smallmouth fight. Wow, we're making it happen today. This is way better compared to the last video. Go ahead and toss him back in the water. There he goes, the same exact spot. That is pretty cool if you ask me. He really tore up my bandito bug. I'm gonna have to tan a new one. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day. We caught 3 fish in total. I apologize if I wasn't talking too much in the video. I was really concentrated on how to catch these fish, trying to figure them out, but we made it happen. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are almost to 100 subs, so if you can hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And drop a comment down below if you have any ideas or suggestions on what to film for 100 subs. We're about to hit it, and I want to film a really cool video for y'all. So drop a comment down below if you have any ideas. But we made it happen today. I really enjoyed fishing today. It was windy at first, but it kind of calmed down now. The lake's pretty calm. I did not manage to catch a 4th fish of the day, but we still caught 3 fish. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.